Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create Facebook posts that are landscape on Canva. Are you looking for a good guide on how to make Facebook landscape posts on Canva? Stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, so whether you're on PC, Mac, laptop, go to your browser, whether it's Google or Microsoft Edge or Safari or whatever you want to use. Go to canva.com. Um, or if you're using mobile, just open the app. And as you can see, we are now in the homepage of Canva. And what we are looking for is a Facebook post, the landscape one, which is pretty much here. As you can see here, it says Facebook post landscape. So if you click on your scroll button on your mouse, it's going to open a tab to create a blank, which is this one. And as you can see, there are already. This is where you're gonna start creating your own landscape Facebook post. Or if you click on the browse templates, this glass icon here, it's gonna bring you to this page, which is Facebook post templates. This is their selection of expertly created Facebook post templates that you can customize and design easily to fit your occasion or your need, right? So, so as you can see, if you browse, there's a lot, right? There's a lot of them that you can just use. His Happy Canada Day, International Mountain Day, Delicious Food Delivers. There's a lot of designs and formats that you could use. Um, so if say you click on this one, you could either click on this one. It's gonna load, and it says we stand for women's rights. This should have an S. It's titled Pink Red Modern Pro Choice Facebook Post Landscape. So if you click on customize this template, it's gonna bring you to this page, right? And it's the same thing. Click on this template. It's gonna open a new tab, and there you go. It's loading right now, but you can, as you can see, when you hover your cursor on each element of the post, you can see that you could now start editing it to your own, to the way you want your Facebook post to look like. So again, going back before we tackle this, let's go back to the Canva homepage. It's gonna be here, Facebook post landscape, or you can simply type Facebook post, right, and wait for it to load. And you're gonna see here these first three. This is pretty much on brand with the schedule, like current popular holidays or events. But what you want to do is like look for the icon that has the Facebook icon in it. It says Facebook post square or Facebook post landscape. You click on landscape, and you're gonna be brought to this page over here, right? So again, let's post this one since we've opened this one. So like, thing you want to do is like you could change these things. Like you could change the background color. You could click on this color background color square over here. Just click on this, and as you can see, there are default colors and gradients. Let's use a gradient. There you go. So it's a bit better, right? And then we could even change the font. It's Montserrat. Let's use actually let's not change this one. This is good. Let's change this font and click this one. Textiles font. Let's go with Laura. And there you go. Let's change this one and as Laura too. There you go. And then we want to change the font color. So click on the text color here with the icon of A and a red line. Let's go with pink. There you go. Same here. Let's go with pink. And let's go with pink as well. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. It looks better. Line color, let's use pink. Let's pretty much just use pink for everything here, right? Use pink. And there you go. So now we have changed this Facebook post to suit maybe what you wanna do. So like click here and here again, and as you can see, you could use this as is, right? And just click on share, and then either copy link or click on download, and you could use and now you can download, right? And you can change the size, but since this is a landscape Facebook post, we don't need to do that. Just click on landscape. It's gonna be saved to your PC, which is good. Or let's go back here. You can just copy the link, and it's gonna be copied to your Facebook page over here, right? So going back to the Facebook post templates, as you can see, there are a few non-free templates. As you can see, if you have Canva Pro, you can use the ones that has a crown icon on the bottom right corner of the template over here. It says Pro, right? Or you could use a paid one. This template contains paid elements, which you need to unlock. You need to pay for it before you can use it. So let's go try Canva Pro. And let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, you can try Canva Pro for free, more productivity, more power, unlock productivity and it's free for 30 days. And here's what you're gonna get with Canva Pro: 100 million plus premium photos, videos, and elements, 3,000 plus premium fonts, over a million premium templates, create with ease to use magic resize, background remover, and premium animations. Stay organized with brand kits, content planner, and 1 terabyte storage. And you can cancel it anytime. So if you want to start your free trial, just click on start free trial right over there. But if you want to look at how much monthly Canva Pro the price would be, just hover here, plans and pricing, and click on Pro, and then click on compare pricing, and let it load for a second. Before let's wait for as we wait for this to load. I just want to touch on the blank canvas. Even though it's blank, you could just you like click on this and it's just gonna load here, right? Spread kindness like wildflowers. You could just click whatever, or better yet, click on uploads, so you could just upload stuff, right? And there you go. Pricing. This is the Canva pricing. Canva free. Pretty much do anything with free. Canva Pro is almost 2,500 pesos, which is for the Philippines per year for one person. So this is pretty much maybe like $30 but this is just for one person. And as you can see, storage for Canva free is 5 gigs. For the Pro, it's 1 terabyte. Huge difference. You have 24/7 customer support. You have AI powered design tools like Magic Eraser, Magic Write, BeatSync, and much more. Automatically match your video footage to your soundtrack with BeatSync. Remove image and video. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot of things that you can unlock when you use Canva Pro. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.